Hi, good day everyone. This is Ken Roy from Jamaican Cuisine with a Twist channel, and it's my first time ever doing a YouTube video, which I'll be making Jamaican patty crust. I will provide all my ingredients and steps how to make it easy for you guys. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please to subscribe, like, share this video, and follow me on the journey while I teach you guys. Okay guys, so first step, let me move this out of the way. First step, we have some butter, any form of margarine you want to use. But you have to have like this. I'm doing a batch of 1 pound flour, half pound of margarine. This is half pound of margarine inside. Yeah, so you wanna have one of them nice thing here. So you wanna have a mixer, you can use a fork and get it done still. But I use both. Butter. Then we got all-purpose flour. Approximately 1 pound of flour to the half pound of butter. Mixer coming. So the other choice you have, if you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk as well. In with the butter until it's like a breadcrumbs look, then it'll be perfect. But this, for those who don't have a So okay, until it looks like breadcrumbs. That's what it should look like. Alright. Like a tablespoon of salt. And using turmeric for coloring. Like a tablespoon of that as well. Rub them in together. To bind it, we're going to use ice water. This is the finished product of a perfect Jamaican patty crust. So stay tuned. Here.